Okay, so my name is Andrea and I'm going to talk to you about Jesus Abad Colorado and one of his photos. So first we're going to talk about who is Jesus Abad Colorado. He is a famous Colombian photojournalist who focuses his work on human rights and armed conflict. He was born on 22 April of 1967 in Medellin, Colombia, and he was son of farmers that were victims of the violence in Antioquia, so they had to leave. He decided to study social communication at the University of Antioquia, and his first work was for the journal El Colombiano, and in that time he was the co-author of 2 books. Last year, his documentary El Testigo came out, and this is a very nice documentary. It's about his exposition, and he showed us a lot of photos he has taken about the armed conflict in different places. This exposition is well made, his work is very interesting, so it's very nice, you have to see it. He's called El Testigo de Testigos because he tries to portray the pain that the armed conflict leaves. He's trying to give us the perspective of the victims of the war and what they are living every single day. His job is also very risky. For example, on 2000, he was kidnapped by a guerrilla called ELN, and eventually he was held for 2 days. His photos are always black and white. That's because he wants to respect the pain of the victims, the sadness, the impotence, the injustice, and he also tries to help the community, so he is not just taking photos, he's trying to help them and give them hope. Okay, now the photo I'm showing you is very sad. This photo was taken on Bellavista, Chocó in 2002. The historical moment was La Masacre de Bojayá. It was a massacre that occurs on May 2 of 2002, and this was the confrontation between the guerrilla or Las FARC and the paramilitaries of the AUC. During this confrontation, a one-cylinder bomb was launched by the guerrilla to the paramilitaries that were using this church as a shelter. So it exploded, and this event left 119 civils dead. Okay, so we are going to see this photo again, and this is Aniceto, the man that is crying, and he's crying next to his wife coffin, Huertina. Huertina was shot with a rifle, and Aniceto was trying to take her to the hospital, but the army, the guerrilla, and the paramilitaries refused, and when they finally accepted, it was too late for Huertina, and she died. Like this, Jesus Abad has a lot of photos. He's always trying to show what war lives, and the perspective of the victims of the armed conflict. He's trying to make our work very respectful and trying to give the voice to the victims of the armed conflict. I like his work because his message is strong, and he's always trying to represent the consequences of the war that the civils are suffering every day, and they didn't ask for that. So I think this is the end. So thank you so much. I hope you like it.